Hi there, this is Lou again, aka Jachina. For today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing video of my new Coach bag purchase. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Okay, hi there, I'm filming right now at my kids' room and my baby is staring at me and I'm just so excited. I just want to share with you my new purchase from Coach. So this is what the bag looks like. I don't have the box. I don't care anymore. But of course, you see the paper bag. It got peeled off because I have other stuff inside. Anyways, this is what it looks like. I bought this in Singapore at Raffles Shopping City here at City Hall. And it has a dust bag, like a silk dust bag. Okay, normally I don't buy Coach here in Singapore because there's a lot of outlet shops in US and a lot of Singaporeans buy there, you know, the typical Asian, and they sell it here in Singapore. And then my mom and my relatives from the US, they always give, you know, gifts as Coach bags because it's very, very, you know, it's branded and good for gifting and it will not make you, you know, bankrupt. But this one, I'm so excited because they said this is a dupe for the famous Louis Vuitton pochette métis. But when I heard it, they said it's really not a dupe because this is like a modern version of the court Coach. And my baby right now is staring at me. If you're hearing some noises, my baby is just with me. So here is the dust bag. Okay, just a short story. This one is the last piece in that store, and it was even reserved to my SA. Her name is Jessica, and it really says there Jessica, but she said she's willing to give it to me and she'll wait for the other shipment. Of course, right? Because that is a sale for her. Anyways, this is what it looks like. So you just let me know if it's really like Louis Vuitton pochette métis. Actually, I really like to buy one, but unfortunately it's very, very expensive, and the queue here in Singapore is very long that they don't take any more like the waiting list. Okay, so it's covered like this, so let me just take it out. Okay, after so many papers and stuffings inside, I finally have it. So it looks like this. So do you think so? It's really like, you know, it's like duping the pochette métis. Actually, it's not duping because, like what I said, what I heard, Coach already has this kind of style the last time. So I didn't buy this because I like a pochette métis. I like it because it's also functional. And yeah, probably it's also reminiscing of the pochette métis. But just to let you know, recently I had an unboxing video of my new Louis Vuitton Clapton and what fits inside. So if you have this Clapton, and this is the Cassie. By the way, the name of the bag is Cassie, C-A-S-S-I-E Crossbody. And this is in tan and rust color, which has the, you know, letter C Coach here at this side. And it got brown side here. But anyways, I have this one, my Clapton LV. So my Clapton LV is bigger. You can see the thickness as well. But this one, I'll show you why a lot of people are saying this is like similar to the pochette métis. So this Cassie Crossbody comes with you know, the receipt, and of course it's GSS here in Singapore. It means Great Singapore Sale. Even the regular price, even the new items, it got 10% discount. So this is 650 Sing dollars. So I got it for 585. So yes, and the good part of Coach, it got a lifetime cleaning service, and they even stamp it for free. This Coach tag, which it's always included in almost all their bags and wallets. So she said I can just go back again because I'm rushing to let it stamp. So I like it. When I saw it, I'm like thinking, wow, it's not that, you know, hard. And you see, and I like the color and a smaller version. And you see the top portion. You see, it looks really like the LV pochette métis, and you see it will also like make it flat, and of course It's got kind of similar. So I like also the strap. So the strap, okay, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And oh my gosh, the strap itself, it got 7 holes. My gosh, there's a lot of holes on this, so you can just really adjust it. And it got also a Coach here, but I don't think so. You can see it like Coach engraving on the D-ring at this side, and at this lock thing, it got also a Coach naming. And I like it, this one, because it's you know, you can swivel it. It's kind of a brass color. Yeah, so I like it, so I take it out. And what else? And this one, this side, it got this extra strap, so that if you have this extra long strap, it will not just flop away. And I noticed that okay, this is the strap, right? And at the back, it has this kind of fold to it. I like it. So we just take it out so that I can show you what this Cassie looks like. So it really looks like a small luggage. So at the back, it got a slit, not a slit, yeah, just a slit pocket. Oh, okay, this is the care card that is included. Okay, and then it's a turn lock. So okay, if you see this at the Coach website or in the store, all of this is letter C. But this color, it's not a letter C. It's only a circular color, because my SA says that it's kind of like shouting Coach, because this one, it has a lot of C's already. This one, no need for a C. So it makes sense, right? So it's like this. So it's a turn lock. Very simple. Unlike the pochette métis, like you need to really feel it. If it's in the center, then you lock it. Anyways, this is the color. Is that this color? It's like a is it aubergine, like a red violet color. So I'm just checking if everything is okay. The stitching, because this is the last one that I got. So it looks like this. And like what they say, it has this 3 pockets. So I'm not so sure if you can see it on my lighting. Probably that is. So this is the slimmest pocket at the back. Then the second slimmest pocket here in the front. And the big compartment here in the middle. So it got even a zipper here. So you can put some things here. Oh, even got another care instructions. And then it got the usual Coach logo here. And it even got a slit pocket there. So yes, that's about it. Let's see what I can fit here. I'll just do one-shot video. So I used this one a while ago. My Clapton, right? Sorry, you can hear my baby at the background. Check. This is the exact bag that I carry a while ago. So let's see if I can transfer all of my stuff here. It's almost kind of full. So let's begin. So here at the side pocket, I always use my side mirror, this one, so that I can check out myself if I got, you know, something between my teeth. So I'll put it here. Okay, what else? Okay, my cell phone. This is a Huawei P9 Lite. So I put it here at the back. This one is very generous. The spacing is up to here at the ending, and I can feel that my cell phone is here. So still has a lot of room there. What else? Okay, so this is what my Clapton looks like. I only got 2 compartments, but wow, you can see the yellow sort of mustard color. Yeah, that's so. If you're interested to see the unboxing and of what fits in my bag, I will just link it down below in the description bar. But anyway, I'll transfer everything to this Cassie. Okay, and this one is even lighter. Okay, at the back I have, okay, my usual small tissue, dry tissue, and my wet wipes. Probably I'll put it here at the very back. What else? I got my Coach wallet. Okay, I'll just put here in the middle. Okay, I can just put it portrait. Is it portrait? Vertical or horizontal? I got my alcohol, of course, every time. What else? I got my, okay, feminine product. My LV keyclay. Yeah, just beside the wallet. What else? I got my, this is a Jujube small piece. This is like 3 sets. Like, no, it's like 1 set, then 3 types of pouches. I forgot what's the print of this, but I'm going to put it down below the description bar. This one, it got my, you know, beauty products like my Silky Girl powder and my favorite lip tint from Holika Water Drop Tint Balm. And then my aromatherapy oil. This one is so good because this is from Fresh Care and it's a roll-on, so I don't need to touch my oil. And yeah, feminine products. And what else? Hair tie and just like an empty, clean rubbish bag if ever wanted to vomit or what. So like that. So let's see. What else? And this is my LV Clapton, right? 2 open compartments, and at the middle it got this zipper one. What do I got? More feminine products, OMG. Okay, I'll just put it at the back. So it's almost full, but it's not full to the brim. I like it. It's like a, what do you call this? A small luggage. So cute. So this is what it looks like right now. So it got my wet and dry tissue at the very back. The second one, it got my wallet standing up and my Jujube small piece. What else? And in here in front, I got my alcohol, my LV keyclay, and my like a small bag for feminine products. And yes, there's other slots that I can use those properly, and I'll give you some modeling shots. So just to let you know, I'm 5'5" in height. How heavy am I? Oh my gosh, I'm kind of heavy right now because I was in vacation. Probably I'm 60 kilos right now. So this is what the bag looks like. Okay, so it's just like those pochette métis. It's separated 3 pockets, 3 compartments. So this is the back. Okay, the side. Sorry for my lighting because my cell phone is adjusting. My camera is adjusting. So yes, so let's do some modeling shots. So this is what it looks like. At my side, this is from the, what do you call this? 4th. It got 7 holes, right? So this from the 4th hole. 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't adjusted it. This is the default one that they gave me. So it looks like this. The side. Side. At the back. Side. And side. Okay, put it here. Okay, and then I can do it like this as well. It's just so nice for me. I can just open it, get my stuff. Okay, good. So yes, that's about it. I hope you managed to see properly the mod shots because I only have limited space here and you can hear my baby. So if you like this kind of bag, go get it, as long because it's still a sale here in Singapore. And you know, from 650 it becomes 585. So that is a really good deal, because even though it's a new one, they still have their 10% off, and I believe in the US it's 350 USD. So what do you think? It's really kind of duping the pochette métis or what? But you know what, I have this kind of similar bag that got 3 compartments from the Sigual, and I like it as well. So as you can see, this is from the Sigual. I bought it like a couple of years ago. It's floral and it has this kind of lock. And a lot of people are saying that their Coach is duping LV, but it's really is not. No, because you see the Sigual, you see? It has this thing. Actually, it's a very common, what do you call this? It's a very common 3 pocket. So it has like this middle compartment and in front. So I'm really, you know, even though the LV Pochette Métis was released for some time ago, this one, I believe it was released before that or during this time, and I like this kind of bags because you see, so obvious, right? Okay, so let me know what do you think about this Cassie Crossbody from Coach, and I'll give you probably a review on how I carry it, and is it heavy, because of course I just bought it just now and I just pack it, but I haven't even really tested it out, you know, to go out and really check it out. So yes, this is my unboxing and what fits on the Coach Cassie Crossbody. So if you like this kind of videos, just like and subscribe and click the bell button beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified whenever I upload new stuff from your gadgets. And I see you next time on my next video. Bye-bye!